Good evening and welcome. Sharda Sampath Kumar here, a storyteller from Bangalore, presenting today's story. Once upon a time, there was a man who had gone to visit a beach. He was exploring some caves near the shore of the beach. When he entered one of the caves, he noticed that there was a bag filled with clay balls. It was first, he thought that it could be somebody else's, probably somebody would have left it and forgotten. But then when he observed, he saw that the bag contained these balls of clay that had been hardened. Okay, so he thought that probably some children would have played with these with clay and rolled them into balls and left out in the sun to bake. So he came out of the cave, but somehow he was attracted towards those clay balls. So he picked up that canvas bag which was filled with clay balls, and he came out of the cave and started walking on the shore of the beach. And you all know, right, what a beautiful sight it is when you walk along the shore of the beach, observing the beautiful sea and the breeze. It's such a beautiful feeling when you walk on the beach. So as he was walking, he had this bag of clay balls, right? So what he thought was, he was enjoying the scene, and he just picked up one clay ball after another and started throwing these one by one far into the ocean, as far as he could. And he would observe that the clay ball would fly high up in the sky, just above the water, till some distance, and then it would just plunge into the sea. So he was enjoying doing this. And he kept walking on the shore. Just after a while, one of the clay balls immediately fell down, and there was a rock on the floor, and it fell on the rock and it cracked open. And to his surprise, what do you think he saw? The clay ball cracked open, and he saw there was a precious gemstone which had emerged out from this clay ball. Now he was surprised. No one would realize that, right? So now he started immediately taking out all the clay balls from the canvas bag and started breaking them one by one. And he saw that every clay ball had a gemstone, a sparkling gemstone inside each one of them. And that was when he realized that he had already thrown around 50 or 60 clay balls already into the ocean. And then it struck him that he could have taken back home thousands and probably millions of dollars worth treasures back home, right? So let's go to the message of the story. Just like this, in our lives, when we look at people, we do not see their innermost core. We observe only their outer clay vessel, and then we judge them so easily, right? We just look at them by appearances. Say, for example, if a person is valued more if he or she is beautiful or handsome or stylish or wealthy or famous, and we decide or judge in our minds that this person is like that, while that is only the outer appearance or the clay vessel. We have not seen what lies beneath their core, inside their core, right? So this way we would have thrown away a lot of relationships, love, friendships, etc., without even realizing the value of their core. So, may we not come to the end of our lives without realizing how much people and relationships around us matter to us. You never know how precious or the value of that gemstone inside that individual. It could be even ourselves. A lot of times we do not consider ourselves as valuable as we are supposed to be. So, start looking at people as God would see them. God never looks at their outside. He looks at the core, which is the gemstone inside each one of us. So let's relish this beautiful treasure we have inside ourselves before we leave this world. Thank you.